Insert. Yellow. Red. What else? Yellow. Red. Green. There you go. You can do it. What happened? Next. Yellow. Next. Red. What happened? Look it like this. Oh no! Here you go. Okay, next one. Red. Next. Yellow. Shake, shake. Yellow. Green. Very good. Next one. Green. Almost done. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Next. Oh, not yet. Look. Finish. Last two. Shake. Last one. Shake, shake. High five. Okay. Wow, cars. Wow, numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we're gonna face the cars, okay? Oh, look mo. Be careful. There's a glue. Be careful. Oh, wow. Look for number 1. Where is number 1? Oh, careful. 1. Let's look for number 2. 2. Oh, paste it again. Here. 2. Very good. Next, number 3. Yes, good job. It's number 3. Here you go. Look. 3. Oh, look mo. Eyes on your work. Where's number 3? Okay, next. 4. Yellow car. Number 4. Oh, where's number 4? Where is it? Okay, very good. Next. 5. Number 5. Look for number 5. Where's number 5? What's that? Sticky glue. 5. Next. Number 6. 6. Oh, where is number 6? Okay, very good. 6. Next one. 7. Oh no, is that number 7? Are you sure? Where is number 7? 7. 7. 7. Next. Here you go. Paste. 8. Careful. Again, paste the number 7. Here. Hold it. Eyes on your work. Look mo. 7. Eyes here. Ate, look. 7. Okay, next. Number 8. 8. Oh, where is number 8? Look at the number 8. No, no. Number 8. Look, 8. Where is it? 8.
High five.
Oh, not yet. Number 9. Okay, last one. 10. Here. Number 10. Okay, very good.
High five.
High five. Okay. Put it together. Look, number 1. One dinosaur. Put it together. Sige, go. You put it together. Hold this one. Hold. And hold. And put together. Eyes here, look. Put together. 1. Number 1, dinosaur. How about number 2? Number 2. Go, put together. Number 2. Sige. Kaya mo yan. Number 2. 2. Number 2, dinosaur. Next, number 3. Let's look for number 3. Number 3, dinosaur. Put it together. Put it like this, oh. Yan. Put together. 3. Next, how about number 4? 4 dinosaur. Number 4 dinosaur. Like, look at your work. 4. Put together. Push. Yun. Oh, next. How about number 5? Where is number 5 dino? Here. Look at your work. Eyes on your work. Dinosaur. There you go. Next, number 6. 6 dinosaur. Number 6. Put it together. Up mo up. Yun. Next, number 7. 7. Here you go. Put it together. Okay, next. Number 8. Here you go. 8. Put together. Push. Okay, next. Number 9. 9 dinosaur. Number 9. Put it together. Like this, oh. Oh, sorry. Here. Put together. Okay, next. Last one. 10. Here you go. Use your fingers. Your hand. Okay, very good. High five. High five. Look at the color. Sort. Where's the color? Blue. Blue. Very good. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Again, yellow. Oh, where is the color yellow? Oh, no. Look. Yellow. Oh, look mo ate. Yellow. Next, red. Oh, no. Red. Where's the color red? Look at the color. Look at the color. Red. Where is it? Red. Oh, look. Red. Next, white. Next, white. Very good. Next, color yellow. Oh, look. Look. Look at your work. Yellow. Yellow. Where is it? Oh, again, yellow. Again, yellow. Look, eyes on your work. Yellow. There you go. Next. Red. Red. Look, where is the color red? Where is the color red? Red. Finish.
Y is for
Red. Red. Oh, no. No. Again, red. Look at the color, ate. Red. Wait for teacher. Take it to teacher. There you go. Red. Yun. Next. Blue. Look, look. Color blue. Again. Blue. Blue. Eyes on your work. Blue. Green. Yellow. 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 Here, yellow. Where's the color yellow? Yellow. Oh no, look. Again, yellow. Ate, look at the color. Yellow. Again, yellow. Eyes on your work. Eyes on your work. Look, yellow. Next, red. Red. Again, red. Not yet. Finish this one first. Red. Look mo. Look. Where's the color red? Where's the color red? Red. Red. Look. Eyes on your work. No. Again. Red. Where's the color red? Right here. Oh, red. Later ang high five after you finish. Okay? Red. Next. Color blue. Green. White. Sorry, white. Next, white. White. Green. Blue. Yellow. And color red. Okay, high five. Good job. Wait, hands. Oh, wow, look at this one. Part of the face. We're gonna fix this one, okay? Here you go.
Hexagon.
Wow, where is the hair? Hair?
The green hexagon.
Where is it? Hair?
Okay, next, how about the green
Oh, hair? Your hair?
circle?
Here, on the top.
Green circle.
Hair? Fix it. Sige, go. Slide mo. Slide. Yun. Next. Eyes.
Another.
Eyes.
This Stephen.
Next one. Eyes.
Green circle.
Fix it. Fix it. Again. Again. Go. Eyes. Eyes on your work. Eyes here. Hazen. Ate. Hazen. Look. Fix it. Again. Fix. Hazen. Eyes here. Look at your work.
Go, go, go.
Next, nose. Nose. How about your cheek? Cheek.
Okay, next.
Next one,
Green one.
cheek.
Look, Stephen.
Next, ear. Ear. The other one, ear.
And look.
Mouth.
Green.
Mouth. And chin.
Green square.
Your chin. Very good. Sige, go. Slide mo po. Slide. Slide it. Wait. Here. Slide. Yun. Wow. Next, how about the shapes?
What shape is this?
How about the shapes?
Hexagon. Get that
Where
red.
is the hexagon?
Red. Hexagon.
Very good. How about pentagon?
Next one.
Pentagon. Where's the pentagon? Orange. Pentagon. Orange. Pentagon.
Go. Go.
Where is it? Orange. Pentagon.
Look.
This one.
Red.
Hold it.
Circle. Go.
Hold mo. Hold mo. Orange. Pentagon. Next. Rectangle.
Okay.
Color red. Rectangle. Where is it?
Oh, another.
Oh no.
Red.
Look at the color. Red. Red rectangle. Look at your work. Slide.
Next one.
Next. Trapezoid.
And circle. Where's the red circle?
Pink. Trapezoid.
Circle. Go.
Slide. Slide mo.
Triangle.
Yun. Next. Square. Square. Green square. Color green square. Okay, how about the blue triangle? Blue triangle. Next, blue oval. How about the half round? Half round. Where is it? Half round. Baliktad ko like this. Yan.
Go.
Okay, and then circle. Okay, very good. Next one. Let's put it here first. Next, wow, animals. Where is the giraffe? Where's the giraffe? Fix the giraffe. Very good. How about the snail? Snail. Where is it? Oh, snail. Where is it? Look for the snail. Where's the snail? Snail. Okay, next. Horse. Horse. Where is it? Horse. Very good. Put more foot. Fix it like this. Next, how about the dog? Dog. Look for the dog. Where's the dog? Uh-oh, look. Dog. Where is it? Try again. Where's the dog? Dog. Again, dog. There you go. Next. Cat. Cat. Where is the cat? Sleeping cat. Where are you? Okay, very good. Next one. How about the caterpillar? Caterpillar. Okay, very good. Slowly. Next, bear. Brown bear. Brown bear. Why? We'll put it here. Brown bear. Here. Go, fix it.
Oh, go.
There's a nice here. Brown bear, look. Look at your work. Brown bear. Here. Next. Hippo. Hippo. Slowly. Next. Turtle. Last one. Duck. Put it slowly.
High five.
Put it slowly. Okay, high five. Good job.